start over. Hi guys, welcome. So right now we're here at 2320 Plateau Drive in San Jose within the Communication Hills area. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick tour of this house. We are hosting an open house today, Saturday, and tomorrow, Sunday, from 1 to 4. Hope to see you here. Let's go. A bathtub, bubble bath, and of course a shower. Gorgeous. Trung, and I'm from Struong Real Estate. I'm with the Bongs Group. Yeet yeet! If you guys do want more information on this property, feel free to reach me at 510-468-3020 or at my email address, which is struong@intero.com. Or better yet, chat with me live right now by clicking on the link right above this post.